And of course, as Alan mentioned there, with that storm came some flash flooding today. In fact, some of the folks living in one Tuloso-Midway subdivision were told that they couldn't go home because of high water.
Yeah, crews with the Corpus Christi Fire Department tonight blocking off that subdivision as they wait for the waters to recede. That's where we find Bill Churchwell live tonight. Bill, what are you seeing out there?
Well, I have to tell you, when it rained hard, quickly, filling these streets in the Northwest Crossing subdivision. We're here at Overland and Goodnight Loving, right across from TM Intermediate. So you can imagine all of this rain hitting right about the time parents were picking up their kids from school. So you can imagine the mess it created. We heard about several water rescues taking place. If you take a look right over here, you can actually see this car. Hey, Preston. We're a little bit separated here. So Preston, can you check out this car right here? The water was actually up to the license plate on that car earlier. So you can see the water has gone down, which is good news. And I want to come right over here and I'm going to talk to one of the residents who saw all of this taking place from the very beginning. Tell us your
Hello, my name is Gabriel.
And Gabriel, what did you see out here when this first started?
Just a whole lot of rain all of a sudden, you know, and a lot of people got scared and freaked out. But it's been a weird day, a crazy year. So
very true. And I guess were there water rescues taking place, or people who became stranded in their cars because of the high water?
Yeah. I mean, some cars got flooded in. A lot of people got scared. A lot of kids got scared. Everybody got stuck. And the tow company's going to make a lot of money today.
There you go. And the good news is that we are starting to see the water go down where we are at. I have to give you another visual. I'm going to walk right over here where this leaf line is at, and this is where that water came up to. So you can see it has gone down since the floodings first started here this evening. Reporting live, I'm Bill Churchwell. Now back to you.
All right, great job, Bill. Of course.